That's too slow. Knifey time. Okay, let's make a tire out of duct tape. We've got 1 kilometre of duct tape. Hopefully it's going to be enough. Okay, get that on there, like that. Okay, Dommy, fire it up.
Alright.
Okay, nice and slow.
Okay.
And go. Yep, that's good. Yep. Okay, stop. Okay, that's 1 roll. 50 more to go. Whoop. Last roll. Go. Stop. Okay. It's not a very big tyre. I think these might be low profiles. We might need more tape, I think. Okay, we've got some more tape. 50 more rolls and they're twice as long. Let's go. 3. Okay, nice and slow for this one. Oh, but no.
That was nice and slow.
Can you see?
Yes.
Okay, cool. I'll give you the shaka bra one to go.
Okay.
And the stoppy stoppy, my hand is caught in the wheel sign.
Stoppy, stoppy. Stoppy, stoppy.
These are actually going to be the new tyres for Formula 1 next year. So. Yeah, lucky last. Let's go. Yeah, stop. That's it. A little bit of tidying up. Let's test it. There we go. It's taking the weight. There we go. Sitting on the duct tape tire. How's it looking? It feels really good.
It looks good. I think you're good to go.
Good to go for 70,000
Good
Ks.
to go. No.
I'm going for lunch. See you guys. I'm just kidding. Don't drive on the road with duct tape tires.
I thought he was serious.